Hello everyone, how to solve this nice problem for the values of x. So here you see that we have this is x plus 1 over x equals to 2. Now it means that this is the our fractional problem because here we have in the denominator we involve the variable x. Okay, so that now here first we need to move this x from denominator here, so that in order to remove this x from the denominator you have two ways. First you just take the LCM from left hand side and you move x into the right hand side. Okay, this is the one way, and the other way is that in order to eliminate this x from the fraction, here we need to multiply both of the sides by x. Okay, so that we write it here, multiplying both of the sides by x. Okay, so that when you multiply both of the sides by x, it will be looks like in this way. X is multiplied by x plus x is multiplied by 1 over x equals to x is multiplied by 2. Okay, so we have we make this type of equation in which when you can just multiply x on both of the sides in order to remove this equation. Okay, here we see that x times of x is equals to x square plus this x is cancelled out by this x, and here we get the remaining value is 1, and this is equals to x times of 2 equals to 2x. So it means that this equation after multiplying by x, our given equation will becomes quadratic equation because here we have the highest power or exponent of x is 2. So this means that this equation will becomes the quadratic equation, but not into the standard form. Okay, so that now here first we need to write this quadratic equation into the standard form. So for this here we need to subtract minus 2x from both of the sides. Okay, in order to move this 2x into the left hand side, so that we just subtract this minus 2x on both of the sides, so that now we write our above equation in this form. So this implies that this x and positive and negative 2x are cancelled by each other, and in the left hand side we have x square minus 2x and plus 1 and equals to, here we get the remaining term is 0. So now here first we just convert our quadratic equation into the standard form. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation, and now here we need to use the quadratic formula in order to find the values of x. So here first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to plus 1. Okay, so these are the coefficients of the above equation, and now we stated the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now in order to find the value of x we need to substitute these coefficients here, and this equation is implies that x is equals to minus b, and the value of b is minus 2. So we put it here, this is minus times of minus 2 plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is equals to 1, and c is also equals to 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, so here our a is also 1. Okay, so further here we need to simplify the term. So you see that minus times of minus becomes here plus 2, and plus minus square root of minus 2 square equals to plus 4, and 4 times of 1 equals to minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So here we get the value of x is equals to 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 equals to 0, and 0 square root becomes 0, and it is divided by 0. So here you see that if you subtract 2 plus 0, then you get the value is 2, and 2 minus 0, we again get here 2. Okay, so you get here 2 plus minus 0 becomes 2, and it is divided by 2. So this implies that the value of x is equals to 1. So this is our final value of x, and now here we need to verify this value of x. Okay, so here we just verify this value of x. So because we find the value of x equals to 1, now we substitute this value of x equals 1 in the left hand side of the given equation, so that this equation will be written as 1 plus 1 over 1 equals to 2, and you get here 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 2. This shows that the value of x is satisfied the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.